this video, we will show you how to replace the skid shoes on a Simplicity 2-stage snowblower. Always remove the ignition key before servicing the snowblower. To replace the skid shoes, first lift up the auger housing and support it with a block of wood. And take a socket wrench and remove the bolts holding the skid shoe to the auger housing. Install a new skid shoe by reinserting both bolts into the holes in the auger housing. Before you tighten the bolts, adjust the skid shoe to your preferred height. If you want to clear snow as close to the ground as possible, position the skid shoe higher on the auger housing. That way, the scraper blade will be closer to the ground to clear more snow. Once you've selected your preferred height, tighten the bolts on the skid shoe. And that's how to replace the skid shoes on a Simplicity 2-stage snowblower.